Hello everyone, I am K. Purushottam from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am going to discuss on the topic scopes of different fields of civil engineering. First off, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest and simple of various engineering fields. It mainly related to planning, analyzing, designing, construction and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams and tunnels, and other structures by using physical laws and mathematical equation and theory of mechanics. Scopes of scope of different fields of civil engineering. Surveying is a science or art of map making. It mainly deals with various types of measurements and plotting of maps and planes. Unless maps are drawn, no development or work and construction can be undertaken. Surveying are of two types: plane surveying and geodetic surveying. Plane surveying is the type of surveying in which the effect of curvature of the surface of the earth is not taken into account. Therefore, plane surveying is adopted from small areas and degree of accuracy of plane surveying is relatively low. Whereas in geodetic surveying, the curvature of the Earth's surface is taken in account and geodetic surveys are carried out for large distance and areas with high degree of precision. Structural engineering. It mainly deals with analysis and designs of various structures like steel structures, concrete structures. Steel structures like industrial buildings, towers, etc. Concrete structures like buildings, bridges, dams, and etc. Analyzing and determining the internal force or stress developed in a structural components of any structure due to the applied load is called as analysis. For example, structural components in a buildings are beams and columns, etc. Design. Fixing or finding the suitable dimensions like breadth, depth, length, etc. for structural components of any structure using various methods is called as design. Geotechnical engineering. It mainly deals with the study of soil, its types of soil and their properties. Soil properties may change place to place, depth to depth, and even season to season. Any buildings, bridges, dams, relate walls consist of components like foundations, and foundation is laid from the central depth below ground surface till the hard layer is reached. The soil should be thoroughly checked for its suitability for the construction purpose. The study properties and behavior of the soil under loads and change in environmental condition is called geotechnical engineering. Hydraulics. As we know that water is a very important need for all human beings. It mainly deals with study of mechanics of water and its fluid characteristics like pipe flows and open channel flows, dams and irrigations, and also hydropower generations. Application of hydraulics. Determination of fluid properties such as density and vapor pressure, etc. Water resources. It deals with tapping or storing of water and supplying water to agricultural fields for crop cultivations, to drinking purposes and other domestic or industrial uses. Hence, suitable water resources are identified and it is stored. Identifying, planning, building water retains structures like dams, tanks, carrying water storages to needy areas is known as water resource engineering. Irrigation, artificial supply of water to crops by different methods, drip by drip and sprinkling system is called irrigation. The important basic needs, that is water and food, are taken care by irrigation engineering directly or indirectly. Transportation engineering. Transportation engineering, it plays a very important role in economical development of country. It mainly deals with study of existing transportation system and their improvement for safe driving. It mainly includes design, construction and management of roads, railways, navigation and air routes. It mainly includes construction and management of roads, railways, uh, airways and waterways. The traffic management includes traffic signals, number of lanes, width of the road, parking facilities and curves, and also part of transportation engineering. Environmental engineering is an important branch of civil engineering which covers both water supply and sanitary engineering. The importance of clean environment was felt with the rapid growth in population and growth in urbanization and industries. The science of civil engineering deals with the subject of tapping water and different source of water, testing the quality, purifying processes and distribution of water to the consumers. Similarly, the environmental engineer encompasses the subject of treatment of waste with which originate from different sources and deals with the removal of harmful substances in these wastes by different processes. The impact of waste originating from the industries is fed by living organisms if such waste contains toxic substances. Planning, it deals with different types of construction of structures like building, roads, bridges, etc. Construction of underground tunnels use modern equipments. Construction of floating structures, etc. Earlier days, manpower utilized for construction, but development of new technology, that is manufacturing of new machineries like cranes to lift weights, painting machines, plastering machines, concrete or tar laying machines have made the construction easier and faster. It mainly includes excavation of soil, construction of foundations and concrete finishing, etc. with different techniques and methods. Project management, planning for construction equipments and machineries for construction projects. It deals with planning scheduling and execution of construction activity related to a project. Compromising of men, material and time and money management. Earthquake engineering. An earthquake is a rapid shaking of ground due to the vibration beneath causing by uh, causing the disturbance of gravitational equilibrium of rocks. The scientific study of earthquakes is called seismology. Earthquakes are measured using observation of seismometers. Scheme waves are recorded on the instrument called seismographs. The time, location, and the magnitude of an earthquake can be determined from the data recorded by the seismograph stations. Earthquakes with magnitude of above 2 or less are usually called microearthquakes, are generally recorded only on local seismographs. Events with magnitude above 4.5 or greater are strong enough to be recorded by the sensitive seismographs all over the world. Great earthquakes have magnitude of 8 or higher. Remote sensing and GIS systems. This is one of the new field. The improvement in space technology availability of GPS enhanced the scope of geographic information system. Good mapping technique helps to get rid of information accurately and quickly to efficient management and monitoring the available resources for optimizing use. GIS is an high technique equivalent of map. It represents a means to locate ourselves relation to the world around us. It deals with the measurement, mapping, monitoring, and modeling of geographical information around us. By this, I would conclude by saying that civil engineering is a diverse and exciting field that plays a very important role in shaping the buildings, the built environmental, and improve the quality of our lives. Thank you for attending the session.